Okay, today it's the 13th of July 2023. Can you try to reach that? Here.
Yeah.
I want to hear it. It's different. But staircase B has the copper one. This is here.
Yeah.
Pietarinkatu, Petskatan. Is it 15 or? Yeah, 15.
Mm.
Is the staircase A or?
Yes.
Okay, so we just done staircase B. Unfortunately, staircases C and D don't have elevators. It was built in 1937 by grandbrothers, but have the normal buttons, but B has the deeper ones.
Yeah.
It was modernized in 1986. There have been 8 fixtures probably in the beginning of 1986. It's going to be inspected in the next year, 2024. Turned 85 years old in 2022. The most ancient turned 35 years old in 2021. And let's take 2 rides here. Sinuolallinen yrikaspori Helsinki Helsfors, Uusimaani and Finland. Definitely one, but it could have been green.
Inspektit paikka. Hyvä inspektaat meidän eteenpäin hissi.
I like the sounds and the smelling.
Yeah, same here.
But unfortunately, the original doorknobs are gone.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Please also watch the staircase.
That's